How to get $100 Lyft promo code. First of all, open up a Chrome browser in your mobile device. And in the search URL, type in Lyft promo code. After that, you will be taken to various links. If you scroll down, you will find out many links. Now head over to one of them. And here you will get an amazing deals and offers for Lyft promo code. Say $16 off, $5 off, $18 off, and many more. Now you can choose one from there and tap on it. Now you will get to this. From here, make sure to copy this code right here. Tap on copy. And with that, this promo code has been copied. Now to get to Lyft, tap on this button that says Shop Now. Or there you will find a link to get to Soft Lyft. Tap on it. After that, you have to log into your Lyft account. From there, find a right, and then during the checkout, use the promo code that you have recently used, and then you will get certain amount off according to that promo code. And that's the way to get the Lyft promo code. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.